This is the MAGNA-TILES House set. This is a really fun set either as a standalone or to add to your existing MAGNA-TILES because it comes with these cool staircase pieces, and so you can build some different kinds of structures and build it up differently. It also has a door so that you can make it into a structure. You also have some of these different pieces that you can kind of bridge and create openings, and enough pieces to make some really nice roof, and it has some different decals that come with it as well. So I'm a huge advocate of MAGNA-TILES. I think they are great for kids. These are marked for ages 3 and up, but my elementary kids still play with them, and so I think it's a great versatile toy. They're high quality, they'll last for a long time, and you're never going to just throw your MAGNA-TILES away. You are definitely going to gift these to another family or donate these to someone who can use them because these are made to last. This makes a great standalone gift or an addition to your existing collection of MAGNA-TILES. As a teacher and a parent, I would definitely recommend this toy.